Eclipse. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharnique. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join the gang. So in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, this is going to be a quick hair install slash tutorial on this U-part wig. This video is brought to you by Alipearl. Never tried a U-part wig before, but as y'all can see, it's given. Okay, so if you've never tried a U-part wig before, I'm gonna need you to try it after watching this video, because it's giving so in with a leave out. Bone straight, jet black, middle part, my thing. Like, that's my go-to. Don't forget to leave some comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Check me out on my socials. And let's get this video to 200 likes. And of course, if y'all like this unit, all the details are listed down below in my description box. Let's just go ahead and get into this. What's up, y'all? We about to lay and slay this wig. So of course, this video is brought to you by Alipearl hair. This is my first time trying their hair out. I heard nothing but great reviews about this company. But before we get into the hair, let's get into what's in this box. So they sent me, ooh, come on. It's like, see, I be needing some new little head scarves. And this is so pretty. I needed me a new one anyway, so. I love when companies send me these edge control brushes, because I swear, even though I can go get it at the hair store for $1, but who feels like always driving to the store, right? But I just be loving when they send me these, because I be needing some new ones anyway, because they get so hard and dirty so quick. So I'm happy they sent me a new one. This looks like the head wrap, so I don't know what that is, but this looks like this is the head wrap. Maybe they just sent me two, but this is the one that has their logo on it. I be losing all of my head wraps, so I'm happy they sent me a new one. Yes, I'm gonna have to sew on the elastic band. Let me see. Band, melt, edge. Oh, what? Hold up, because they sent me like literally all you need. So they sent an extra elastic band. So of course, if you want to sew the band around the wig, which I may be doing, but not in today's video. And they also sent, this is a band to melt the edges. Exclusive. Yeah. Luckily. Alright, what else is in here? Oh, this is cute. They sent me a bag. Usually hair companies put the hair and stuff inside of this bag, but they sent this by itself. And yeah, this is gonna be my little traveling hair accessory bag. Girl, there's more stuff in here. Come on. Some lashes, which I wanted to put these on today, but I forgot these was in here. Oh, these are so pretty. I was supposed to put these on today. I forgot they was in here. And of course, they sent me a wig cap. It's instructions on, you know, how to wash your hair, how to clean, how to do the hair care. I like how they sent this, because some people really don't be knowing. And it's also on the back of the box as well. So I'm gonna put some of this back in here, because we're not gonna use it right now. The U-part wig in 22 inches, and it's the body wave. First of all, I already know that this hair is going to be flawless. It feels so good. It's very thick, very thick. Okay, not saying I'm surprised, but usually when you get wigs, they don't feel this thick. So I love that. I love how it's very thick. The hair feels so freaking good. Like, it feels amazing. So I got the body wave in 22 inches. So we're about to go ahead and install this. But first, I'm about to like straighten out my hair. Not all of my hair, just the middle part. So I'm just going to straighten out the middle of my head. And you could honestly, I see people do it differently. Of course, you can braid the rest of your hair up and leave some out, but who has time for that? I don't have time for that. Put it in a ponytail or whatever and just leave my hair out. And also, it comes with this little string right here, so of course you would cut that. I'm gonna cut that off, and I need to see exactly. Okay, hold up. All right, so let's see how we're gonna do this.
My specimens down.
Honestly, I'm probably gonna put the rest of this in a ponytail. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. My hair is blow dried out. I wish it was straight now so it can really lay flat, but we're gonna do what it do. So the wig does have 3 combs right here going across. It has some combs on the side as well. Two more sides as real. 2 more combs on the side, 3 going to the top, and then looks like one is in the back. Okay, let's open these combs up. Okay, let's open all the combs up. We're gonna secure the one in the middle first. Snap that. Secure the side one. Snap that. Secure this side one. Snap that. I'm not gonna pull too hard on my edges, baby, because they already thin. We gotta grow them back out. So snap the one by the edges, and then snap this one, and then snap the one in the back. I'm gonna tuck my ponytail in. It's secured and it's not pulling on my hair too tightly. I love this already because this is such a quick and easy hairstyle. Like, I like this. I love this already. Okay, so for my hair, yeah, this is literally perfect. So for my hair, we're gonna do middle part. Thank God my hair is jet black, because if it was another color, baby, it would not blend the way it needs to blend. Oh, I love this already. OMG. Where have I been? Like, I never tried a U-part wig before. Never. And I'm liking it because it's given. I got a sew in with a leave out. That's what it's giving. I got a sew in and I got some hair left out at the top. That's what it's giving. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm going to straighten my hair out before I actually flat iron my hair out. I like how the waves look like it's so pretty, but I'm probably gonna go in and I'm about to go in and flat iron my leave out real quick. And I think what I want to do, I still got makeup on my lips because I did not put on my lipstick yet. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and do like some real loose one curls. Yeah, it's secured, so I'm happy that I didn't necessarily have to go in and like braid my hair down, because you know. And you know what, like, yeah, I'm gonna start getting U-part wigs from now on, because the fact that I can take this off at nighttime is perfect.
The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a start. It can plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Damn, I low-key want to see how it would look if I do bone straight. Let me just do one piece and just see what it's gonna be giving. I might do bone straight, y'all.
get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a start. It can plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Marvin.
Okay, so I'm definitely going to do bone straight. I feel like I haven't done a bone straight middle part jet black in so long. So I'm going to straighten all of this out. But as y'all can see, this is how it looks. I'm probably going to go over the ends like one more time just so it can really get straight. But y'all, I'm loving this. Like, this looks like a sew-in with a leave out. It's not giving wig at all. Like, it's not giving wig. So I'm about to go in and finish the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna just come back to y'all once it's done, once I'm dressed and stuff, so y'all can see like how it really came out. Yeah, so I'm all dressed or whatever, and I finally finished straightening out all the hair. So I love it, y'all. Like, this wig, yo, listen, I've been asleep, but I promise you I'm woke now, because like I said, this is my first time trying a U-part wig, and I absolutely love this so freaking much. Like, it's really convenient. Like, the fact that it literally didn't even take me long to, of course, install the unit, and the styling process didn't really take long to bone straight, like to straighten the hair out. It didn't take long at all. So yeah, and then as y'all can see, I'm short, so the hair is literally at the tip of my ass, but I'm short. But like I said, this is 22 inches, and yeah, I don't know if it looks a little bumpy in the back. I don't know if y'all can see like where my bun is. I don't know, but if it don't look bumpy, then that's good. Oh my gosh, this hair is so freaking bomb. Like, it looks so freaking good. Like, easy, super easy to install, super fast. All I had to do was just put it on, straighten my hair out. Yeah, and I just love the fact that I didn't have to glue this wig on. Like, I miss my frontals, but being able to do a hairstyle really quickly and go about your day is like the best thing ever. Like, so yes, this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. So this is a final review of this hair, y'all. Super soft, great quality, and let's not forget to mention the thickness of this hair. Like, the thickness of this is perfect. If it's gonna be bone straight, I don't like for the hair to be thin. I love a thick bone straight install. All the information is listed down below. Don't forget to leave some comments down below. Like this video, thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel if you made it all the way through this video, and thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.